All right, so we're going to show you how to open and close jump rings. We send these to you slightly open so you can open and close. They're solid brass, so there's no concern about breaking. All right, so for the needle nose pliers, I attach a little bit of leather to the inside. Because these are serrated, I don't want to scratch the brass finish. Do use a little bit of TEDS tape, plug on the TEDS tape to attach that because it's double-sided. So let's take our medium size. We're going to open this up a bit to attach the chain. So I like to grab quite a bit. As you can see here, you can't just grab here because it's not going to grab enough. You want to get kind of 2 contact points. I'm going to grab that here, and then this one on the other side. Just going to crank it open a bit. Pretty easy. Should have enough there. Get our chain, loop it through. Get our fish hook, loop it through. Same deal on the other side. All right, might have a little bit of a gap, so in that case, it's going to come from the sides, pinch it a little closer. There you have it. That's installing the jump rings.